Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the watch and workspace. Clean the face with a microfiber cloth and, if needed, a 70% isopropyl wipe to remove oils. This prevents bubbles. Once done, lay the watch on a flat, well-lit surface or tray to trap stray dust. Peel the protector backing just enough to expose one edge. This gives you control. Align that exposed edge carefully to the bezel so the protector will sit centered. Make small adjustments now. Precise alignment avoids rework later. You lower the protector slowly, letting the exposed edge make first contact so alignment holds. As you lay it down, use a firm, slow motion and a steady hand. This reduces initial trapping of air. Once most of the protector rests, take a plastic card or included squeegee and push from the center outward toward the edges. This forces air and moisture out. If a stubborn bubble appears, lift the nearest edge a hair and reapply while smoothing. That corrects misalignment without stretching the film. You finish by removing any final protective layer and pressing the edges firmly so adhesive bonds. This prevents peeling. Make sure touch and sensors respond. If responsiveness lags, reboot the watch to recalibrate. If you find dust trapped under the protector, don't panic. Use a small piece of adhesive tape on your fingertip to lift the nearest corner just enough, then use a dust tab or gentle breath to remove particles and reseal. That single troubleshooting move clears most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.